Welcome back to Softcar's Automotive Digital Solutions channel. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step installation process for ODIS Engineering version 21.0.1 on a Windows operating system. This software is used for diagnostics and programming across VAG vehicle groups. Let's get started. First, navigate to your installation folder. Locate the file named 1, Offboard Diag Setup Engineering, and extract it. Next, extract the second archive, which is labeled Activation. Once the files are extracted, right-click on the installation setup executable and run it as an administrator. Choose your preferred language when prompted and click OK. Next, select your diagnostic interface. In this case, we are selecting the VAS 6154. Under the License Selection window, click Search, navigate to your extracted activation folder, and select the license.dat file. Make sure to check the box to copy the license into the installation folder, then proceed with the installation until it finishes. Once the setup is complete, open the activation folder. Copy the two files, license.dat and offboard diag launcher. Go to your C drive, open Program Files, find the folder labeled OE, and paste the files here, choosing to replace the existing ones. Right-click the new launcher file, send it to the desktop as a shortcut, and rename it. Finally, open its properties. Go to Advanced and check the option to run as administrator. Next, we need to extract and run the post-setup package, which handles localized language configurations. Run the extracted post-setup utility as an administrator. After that, go to your local C drive, ensure hidden items are enabled, and navigate to Program Data, then OE, and open MCD-Projects-E. From your source files, cut the project folder, such as VWMCD, and paste it directly into this directory. Now launch ODIS Engineering from your desktop shortcut. To verify the installation, click on Info and select Version Details. Here you should see version 21.0.1 successfully registered, along with your active diagnostic projects. That completes the installation process. To download the software, please click the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive digital solutions.